Not looking too good, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me show y'all what I'm doing right now. What's up? It's your boy back with another video. As y'all can see, I got the tire in the back. If y'all ain't watched my video, go look at my previous video. Y'all see what's going on right now. I ended up popping my tire on the highway, literally on the highway. But today I gotta go to work, knock this day out real quick, and hopefully I can make it to the tire shop to get a tire so I can put a tire on this rim, take the rim back to the crib, put it in my car. Because I got a whole different set of wheels on my car right now. Like my boy Garrett, shout out to him, bro. He looked out for me. Came to the spot where I was, bro. Bought me one of his old RT wheels. Thank God they fed over the Brembo brakes. And I pushed the car home. I got it home, and it's just sitting in the garage. So, got to get this fixed before this weekend because I got a whole lot of stuff coming this weekend. Got a couple car meets. I gotta take it to the wrap shop, get some work done, and I have to have the car looking somewhat decent, and it's got to be drivable. So I'm gonna catch y'all later on this afternoon. Hopefully I can get all this stuff straightened up today. If not, then I'm gonna have to make it a two-parter and do it all on the next day. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, so I'm heading to the wheel shop right now. Just got off work maybe like 10 minutes ago. I called them, bro. They ain't answer the phone like 3 times, bro. So hopefully they open, bro. They the only people that carry the 22-inch wheels in stock. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to order and wait 3 or 4 days for this freaking order to ship, bro. So hopefully it's open, bro. Wheel and Tire Exchange on Independence. Everybody in Charlotte know who they is, bro. So hopefully they open. If they open, bro, hopefully they can get me in, get this tire done today so I can put it on the car. If not, I'll be willing to leave it overnight and come pick it up tomorrow. But I got a whole lot of stuff I got to get done, bro. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So that didn't work. They're back ordered for the next 2 weeks. So the wheel that my boy gave me, I think this is what I'm doing. The wheel my boy gave me is the correct tire size for the Charger, the one I need. So I think I'm just going to go take his tire off his wheel, put it on my wheel so I can have my car this weekend, and then order him a tire because he don't need those wheels because he got a wide body now. I think that's going to be the only plan, bro. So tomorrow, I guess I'm going to have to run around and get all that figured out, drive my car to a tire shop and have them fix that because that's my only option right now. So I guess I'll catch y'all tomorrow because today I'm just going to go home, lift the car up, take the tire off, and put that tire back here too. So I can have both of them in here and just take them to the wheel shop, switch them. My life sucks, bro. It's too difficult. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow or whenever I finish this, bro.
Few moments later.
All right, it's another day. Just got off work, but I had to go get. Well, this is the plan, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all. I'm gonna put my car on this jack stand right here. Take this tire off because this is the tire I need for my car. Take that tire and wheel to the wheel shop. Take the busted tire and wheel to the wheel shop as well, and have them put that tire on that wheel. Leave that rim without a tire. And I'm gonna order his because I went to the wheel shop yesterday. It was back ordered for the next 2 weeks, and I can't have that. So I'm gonna move the car over here so I can get to that side and get to work so I can get all this stuff done today before it gets too late. So I'll catch you on a little bit. Let me go and get started on this. I got these junks jammed in here, bro. Like, it didn't even fit. I had to turn this one sideways just to get in here. But I got to take it off the car. I'm about to find a tire shop. Hopefully I can find one that can do these low profiles and get this done for me so I can get back to the house and put the tire back on the car. I didn't want to drive the car because the lug nuts really ain't fit on his wheel like that, like they fit on mine. So I ain't want to risk it, so I just put it all in my daily and just drove it. But I'll catch y'all at the tire shop, and hopefully we can get this solved today. I'm praying, boy. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Just pulled up. Everybody in Charlotte know where I'm at. William Tire Exchange. All your wheels and tires, bro, this is the best place to come, bro. Right here on Independence. Look at this crazy thing right here, bro. They got some Forgiatos in there too that I want to go look at, but I'm gonna drop my wheel off and then come back and pick it up. Whenever I come back and pick it up, finish up this video. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Pull back up to the crib, and this is how I left the car, bro. Move out of the way, bro. This is how I left the car. Got a jack stand. Waiting for the Hellcat replica to come back. How y'all like my new decals, bro? I got these put on. Oh, right. One in Charlotte with the Queen City emblem on their car. Probably, I don't know. But thought about it, did it. Looks good. I need to get this window replaced soon too. Y'all see this, bro? That's coming from my garage, but I gotta get my whole window replaced. Then I gotta get it re-tinted. Hey, come here. What you looking at? But yeah, hopefully they get the tire put back on the wheel today, and I can get that put on for the night, and then go about my life, bro. Cause right now, this is not doing me any good. But it's not that you can't get fixed though. No, you can't get fixed. Back in the game, boys. Yes, sir. We back in the game now. Brand new tire. Which is crazy. Oh.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Don't do that. But nah, it's crazy because my boy put brand new tires on his RT rims before he traded it in, so I got lucky. But I ordered him a tire, and whenever that tire comes in, I'm definitely gonna put that on his wheel and go from there. But time to put my baby back together, for sure. And probably get her cleaned up for this weekend already, since it's a pretty nice day outside. Get her cleaned up, get all this straightened up, and then call this video an end, bro, because this is a nightmare, bro. I don't wish this on my best man, bro, or worst enemy. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is something somebody never should go through. I got lucky. So y'all pay attention to y'all tires, bro. And best believe, if y'all know some better tires for the 22s, bro, let me know, bro, because these are not gonna cut it any longer, bro. But I'm gonna get this put on, car put back in place, clean it. On to the next video. Thanks for watching. And we back like we never left. Let's get her cleaned up, ready for this weekend.